Under the Internal Revenue Code, a taxpayer faces tax liability on taxable income, which equals the taxpayer's gross income minus any allowable deductions. In Nickerson v. Commissioner, we explore the scope of the allowed deduction for business expenses. Melvin Nickerson grew up on a Florida farm. He later settled in Chicago and worked in advertising. He married Naomi Nickerson, and the couple lived a comfortable but not wealthy existence. Melvin became concerned about the long-term viability of his career and began looking for an alternative means of future income. He settled on dairy farming. The Nickersons purchased a Wisconsin farm that was in a dilapidated condition, requiring significant improvements to be functional. Taking a long-term approach, the Nickersons leased the farm to a farmer for a low cost, and the farmer's promised to convert 10 acres a year to a profitable crop. Melvin, who still lived in Chicago, visited the farm most weekends during the growing season and twice a month in the off-season. While visiting, he worked on the farm and assisted neighbors on their farms. Melvin also expanded his farm knowledge by reading trade journals and consulting a local expert. The Nickersons anticipated that it would be 10 years before the farm became profitable. Consistent with that prediction, they incurred losses in 1976 and 1977. Because the Nickersons considered the farm a business venture and weren't using it for any recreational purposes, they claimed the losses as deductible business expenses on their tax returns. The Commissioner of Internal Revenue disallowed the deductions, concluding that the Nickersons' primary motive for operating the farm wasn't to make a profit, rendering the farm a hobby, not a business. The Nickersons petitioned the United States Tax Court for redetermination. The tax court held in the Commissioner's favor, and the Nickersons appealed to the Seventh Circuit.